what is one daily practice that you do, Rebecca, that you would say contributes to your success?
Can I share 2?
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay.
You're such an overachiever.
I know. I want that extra credit and that gold star. So I start the day on purpose. Every day. The day isn't happening to me. I get a new 24 hours. Ding, I wake up with that. And I get to decide how to spend it. And I tend to make that list of what I'm going to do and prioritize the night before to get it out of me and let my subconscious or whatever support me. The next morning, I take some time and look at that with excitement. What am I going to do today? What am I going to spend time on that? How am I going to, what are the steps, the inches I'm going to bring forward in each of these things? And I actually get excited about all the things that are going to get done today.
Ooh, I love that.
You start the day on purpose and then have a plan for the day. Kind of, this is where we're going. This is what we're doing. And make sure the plan is right sized. It actually fits within the 24 hours. And then third, okay, I have a third. Third is to remember to pause, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed, especially if you're feeling like that one more thing that can't happen and it happens. And what you do in that moment, you pause and you take a breath and you ask yourself a question. And for me, it'd be Rebecca. So there's that one, like, pause for a moment. Rebecca, get my attention. Are you being who you want to be?